Hello viewers, welcome to our channel CodePlanet 2-Minute School video series. Today's topic, bugs and debugging. Let's get started.
A bug is an error or flaw in software or hardware that causes it to produce an incorrect or unexpected result. Bugs can arise from mistakes in the code, design, or even in the hardware itself. Let's explore some common types of bugs found in software development. Syntax errors means mistakes in the code that violate the rules of the programming language. Another error is runtime error. This error occurs while the program is running, often causing the program to crash. Logical errors in the logic of the program that cause it to produce incorrect results. Debugging is the process of identifying, isolating, and fixing bugs in software or hardware. It involves running tests, reviewing code, and sometimes even rewriting parts of the program. Let's see how we can fix bugs, in other words, how to debug. Try to recreate the circumstances under which the bug occurs. Identify the source. Look through the code to find where the error originates. Fix the bug, make changes to the code to correct the error. Let's explore some of the best practices for debugging. Keep your code clean and well organized. Write clear and concise error messages. Use version control to track changes and revert if necessary. Test your code frequently to catch bugs early. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more informative content. See you in the next video.